Hey traders, quick market update. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright guys, I want to do like a little sort of update on some things that I'm doing as well too. Last week I did a video saying that I'm not listening to Vigilante, Polny, X22 Report, and all these other people out there, and I'm just going to be trading based on my own. And that's just it. Now, what I do say about that is that I think it's best is that if any decision we make, we need to come from based on what the work that we've done. I think that's really important, that we do the work and we come to a conclusion that we know what the trade we're getting into is a good trade. Like for example, if some of you guys know about the silver trade that I got into, I didn't wait. You know, people have been saying bullish silver for quite some time, but I waited for a perfect time to get into it. Now here's what I do say. I will continue to listen to the Vigilante. I'll continue to listen to Polny. I'll continue to listen to probably not much of the X22 report, because that's just too doom and gloom, and it's too sort of like, it's sort of fundamental and stuff like that. You can't really use it, and it's just keeps up with the doom and the doom and gloom trends, and I don't think I can handle that much anymore because of the negativity. So I probably won't be listening to X22 report anymore because of that. I'm not saying it's bad if you guys like listening to that, but again, I need to stay on top of my toes. But what I will be doing is I'll be listening to the people that I think I can use information that's happening in the current market that may influence the markets and so on and so forth. Cycle analysis like Polny and so on and so forth. So guys, my overall thoughts on these particular people is that I'll still listen to these people, because I think listening to these people, they do bring out a lot of good stuff in the markets. I do know that a lot of their marketing is based on fear, especially the Vigilante. Yes, there is a lot of bad shit that's happening in the economy right now, and the economy is totally screwed. And yes, we are going to see a big crash, and it's going to happen. We don't know when, but it's going to happen. But I do know that they also know that fear sells, and so that's the reason why they do what they do. That's the reason why the X22 report does what he does as well too. Now again, I'm not saying what they're doing is bad. They're obviously just reporting what's happening out there, and letting people know as well too. That's basically what they're doing. They're being reporters. They're reporting what is actually happening in the market already. So based on that, guys, I'll continue to listen to some of these guys. Some of these guys I won't to, because I just don't think it's good for my mindset. But probably the main ones is like the Vigilante and and Polny. They're probably the main ones I'm going to be listening to. I don't really listen to too many people out there. I like Polny's analysis because he really is big on cycles, and I do believe on cycles. You know, guys, like if you have a look over history, there's a cycle of things that happen. You know what I mean? You know, so if you look at history, you know, you can see like every 200 years it does this, or every 49 years this happens, or every 72 years this happens. You know, or whatever cycle you want to come up with. But generally, there's a cycle there, and that's why I like Polny's analysis as well too, because he really does bring up some pretty interesting stuff as well too. Now, I don't take a trade based on what they're telling me. If Dow Vigilante says we'll get prepared for a crash, if Polny says get prepared for a crash, I will not take that based on a trade. I'll take that aboard, but as long as my charts are telling me to get into a trade, that's the only thing that matters to me. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys an update on that and where I'm at with that. And I wanted to show you guys what I'm actually doing with the overall market updates and with the overall what I'm doing with that. I'm still going to listen to these guys, but trading is going to be my decision. It's not going to be based on what they say. I think, guys, if you're not mentally tough enough, then don't listen to these guys. Only because you want to make your own judgment and your own decisions. Don't just follow people because they say something. That's just stupid. Right? What you want to do is you want to take action based on your own conclusion. Your own conclusion. Not just say, oh, well, Bo Polly thinks the market's going to crash on this day, and he sounds really, really, really confident, so I'm going to slam the market with all this money. No, don't do that, okay? Use this as more of like a research tool, but only take a trade based on your own conclusion. And the conclusion should come from a trading plan, a trading setup, where the trading setup and the trading plan has good trade management, cut your losses short, have bigger profits, have good money management, and so on and so forth. So that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at with these guys. Hope this helped you out, guys. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.